BTS is a seven-member hip-hop group under Big Hit Entertainment consisting of members Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jungkook, Jimin, Rap Monster and V. The members are aged 21 to 26. The meaning of their group name Bulletproof Boy Scouts Bangtan is to block out the world's bullets, and their fan club name is ARMY. The leader is Rap Monster, RM. The main dancers are J-Hope, Jungkook and Jimin. The singers are Jungkook, Jimin, Jin, V. The rappers are J-Hope, Suga and RM. With K-pop growing in popularity, they are simply making the music that people want to listen to. According to the Billboard, their album Love Yourself, Tear, which is sung in Korean, became the first primarily foreign language #1 album in over 12 years. Not only that, but many people say that the subject of their music has played a part in their success. While many K-pop songs are about relationships and love, BTS cover subjects that other bands may not, like bullying and mental health. There is no point having amazing songs if you can't sell them to the world, and BTS have got this down to a fine art. With their slick dance routine and extremely impressive music videos, they have attracted a loyal group of fans who have fallen in love with their music even more. Mr. Sun, the band's choreographer, explains, music videos seem to be one of the most important factors. Messages from the artist can be delivered more effectively. To polish their performances, BTS practiced 4 hours. For their debut performance, they were working at it for 12 to 15 hours a day to get it right. Well, it certainly paid off. No band can have success without its fans, and BTS has some of the most loyal, dedicated fans that the world has ever seen, with 19.5 million followers on Twitter and 17.1 million on Instagram. Known as the ARMY, it was the fans who cast an unbelievable 300 million online votes to ensure that the group won their Billboard Awards. And in April 2019, they watched the video for Boy with Love Feat Halsey 74.6 million times on YouTube in just 24 hours. And they broke 3 Guinness records. With numerous pages, profiles and sites set up all over the world by adoring followers, fans spend hours posting content, sending messages and sharing their love for the 7 boys. BTS began its formation in 2010 after Big Hit Entertainment CEO Bang Si-hyuk met with group leader RM and was impressed with his rapping. BTS was originally supposed to be a hip-hop group, but between their initial formation and their debut, Bang Si-hyuk decided that the contemporary youth need instead a hero who can lend them a shoulder to lean on, even without speaking a single word. The group was meant to debut in 2011 and features on several tracks by artists such as 2AM and Lee Seung-gi before their debut was postponed and the group was recognized into more traditional idol group. The lineup was then finalized with Jin, Suga, J-Hope, RM, Jimin, V and Jungkook in 2012 when Jin, the oldest member of the group, was 20 years old. 6 months prior to their debut, they began to gain attention for their presence on various social media websites as well as song covers on YouTube. On June 12, 2013, BTS released their debut single album To School for School, the first installment of their School trilogy series, simultaneously with its lead single No More Dream, which peaked at number 124 in Korea before quickly falling off the charts, while the album peaked at number 5 in South Korea and eventually sold over 145,000 copies. From 2013 to 2021, there comes a very successful journey. RM is the main rapper and the leader of this group. He studied in New Zealand and lived there for 6 months. He speaks English fluently. Rap Monster was the first to join BTS and the only one from the original lineup. Jin's real name is Kim Seok-jin. He is born in 1992, December 4. Jin has an older brother. He is the oldest member in this group. He blinks his left eye when he is hungry. He is very good cook. He has widest shoulders in the band. He said a lot of dad jokes. Suga is a lead rapper in this group and his real name is Min Yoongi. Suga has an older brother. He is in charge of fixing the things that Rap Monster breaks. He loves playing basketball. When he was trainee, he played basketball every Sunday. He loves sleeping. He was named Suga because when he smiles he is sweet, so Suga comes from the sugar. J-Hope is the main dancer of this group and his real name is Jang Ho-seo. His birthday is 1994, February 18th. J-Hope has an older sister. He chose this J-Hope name because his stage name, he wants to be a source of light and hope to his fans. He loves kimchi very much. J-Hope used to be a tennis player in elementary school and played in competitions. He once received a bronze medal out of 3 teams competitors. Jimin also a vocalist and a main dancer of this group. His full name is Park Jimin. His birthday is October 13, 1995. Jimin has a younger brother. He jokingly hits his fellow members as a way of showing his affection for them. If music is playing, he will start to dance no matter where he is. He is most confident in his eyes. Jimin usually solves his problems himself. If he cannot solve it, he will share it with V and ask for his advices. Jungkook is always teasing Jimin about his height. He has to use eyeliner while practicing the choreography, as he can't seem to show his feelings well. V's real name is Kim Chae-hung. His birthday is 1995, December 13. V has a younger brother and sister. He has been in the group for a while, but fans didn't know or hear of him until the time around his debut. They call him Blank Tay because of his black expressions. Members say he is a horrible cook. V comes from a poor family and he always said that he wanted to become famous. He grew up under a family of farmers and often takes pictures of the farm they own. He is a mood maker in BTS along with Suga. He has a square smile. V likes to act. He was in Hwarang drama. Jungkook's real name is Jeon Jungkook and his birthday is September 1, 1997. He has an older brother. He likes shoes and makeup. He also wriggles his fingers a lot. Said to be a very skilled cook. His role model is G-Dragon from Big Bang. He is a fanboy of IU. He is shy around girl idols. His members call him a muscle pig. He doesn't like it when older fans call him Oppa. He likes Overwatch. He plays with V and Suga. There is a lot to say about BTS. IU and ARMY, who is your favorite singer in BTS group? Say it in comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.